Hi there, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today on this Sunday. I've told you earlier, there's no additional in the weekend edition of Saturday, June the 17th, 2023. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. Friday, June the 16th, 2023. We have three puzzles left: the letter Sudoku, the Sudoku with 0 stars, and the tectonic with 1 star. Yeah. Let me start with the first one, the letter Sudoku. Letter Sudoku number 6614. Yeah, 6614. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27, not digits, but letters. The letters that I can use are 9 unique letters: the M, the S, the C, the O, the U, the R, the P, the T, and the E. And the goal is to solve this word in this column. Yeah. All right. For letter Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my average time. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which letter can I use. How about the C? In the first column, C in the second column. So in the first column, no need to place left for the C should be here. Or there, we see a C in this row. No C there. C should be there. Then the O in this column, the O in the middle column, so the column next, the only two places left for the O should be here. Or there, we see an O in this row, no O there, O should be there. O in the third row, O in the first row, so row between, no only two places left for the O should be here. Or there, we see an O in the last column, no O there, O should be there. So two missing letters in the second row. For the letters, the M is missing. And E is missing. M and E. We have an E in this big square. So no E there. E should be here. And the M goes there. So we have an M in the third row. M in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places left for the M should be here. Or there, we see an M in the third column. No M there. M should be there. P in this row, the P in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places left for the P should be here. Or there, we see a P in this column, no P there. P should be there. Need an O here. Yeah. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the O. We have an O in the first column, so no O in these two boxes here. No O in this row, no O in those two boxes. So the O in this big square could be here, could be there. O in one of those two boxes in the third column. O in the first column, so the column between the second column, and only two places left for the O should be here or there. You see an O in the last row, no O there. O should be there. P, okay. But the U and the R in this column. R in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the R should be there. So two missing letters here. In the second column for the letters, T is missing. And C, no C we have here. E is missing, yeah. T and E, we have an E in this row, no E there. E should be here, and the T goes there. Alright. Need a O, need a M. Need a P also. Interesting. U. P, E, M, N, C. P, S is also missing here. S, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters, the S. We have a S in this column, no S in these 3 boxes, and S in the middle row. No S in those 3 boxes, so the S in this big square could be here, could be there. S in one of those 2 boxes in this row, S in the middle row, so the row above the only place left for the S should be there. Need the S there. Okay. M in this column, M in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the M should be there. Alright. M. So 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. O is missing and a P is missing. O and a P. So we have a P in one of those 2 boxes in this column. P in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the P should be here or there. We see a P in the last row, no P there. P should be there. So the U and the E are missing in this big square. U and the E, we have an E in this column. No E there. E should be here. And the U goes there. U in this column, U in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the U should be there. U in this row, U in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the U should be there. U. 4 missing letters in this row. One of the missing letters, the U. Here can be U because we have a U in this column, so no U there. Here can be U because we have a U in this column, so no U there. And here can be U because we have a U in the middle column, so no U there. So the only place left for the U in this row should be there. U. U in this row, U in that row. So the row be again. U in this row, U in that row. So the row be 3. The only 2 places left for the U should be here or there. We see a U in this column, no U there. U should be there. U in this column, U in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the U should be here or there. We see a U in this row, no U there. U should be there. And all the U's are used. I can see. Yeah. The letter number 1, letter U. Okay. P in the last column, P in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the P should be there. P. How about, oh. Yeah. The S and the T. S and the T. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. S is missing and the T is missing. Let me mark those. S-T. Yeah, also 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. R is missing and C is missing. R and C. Yeah. See, we have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters, the C. We have a C in this column, so no C in these 3 boxes. Here, C in the middle row, no C in those 3 boxes. So the C goes together with the S as a pair. C and S, C and S. Okay. So now we have 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters, the R. We have an R in the middle row, so no R in these 3 boxes. So the R could be here, could be there. U, C, S. All right. And now, T, and the STness. Two missing letters in the last row. For the letters T is missing and S is missing. T and S, T and S. We have a T in this column, no T there. T should be here, and the S goes there. Two missing letters in this column. For letter C is missing and R is missing. C and R. We have a C in this big square, so no C there. C should be here, and R goes there. The word is computers. Computers, yes. In 10 minutes. Well, 10 minutes. Let me finish this puzzle. So we have R in this row, R in the row above. So in that row, the only two places left for the R should be here or there. We have R in one of those boxes in this column, so no R there. R should be there. R in the C, we have R in the middle column, so no R there. R should be here, and the C goes there. C and S, we have a C now in the middle column, so no C there. C should be here, and the S goes there. So we have a S in this column, S in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the S should be there. One box left in this column for letter E is missing here. Yeah, the E is missing. So we have an E in this column, E in the middle column, so the column next, the only two places left for the E should be here. Or there, we see an E in this row, no E there. E should be there. E in this row, E in the middle row, so row below, the only two places left for the E should be here. Or there, we see an E in the last column, no E there. E should be there. And all the E's are used. I can see letter number 2, letter E. Then P and the M are missing. P and the M are missing in this big square. The P and M, we have a P in this row, no P there. P should be here, and the M goes there. Two missing letters in this big square for letters. M is missing, and the T is missing. M and T, we have an M in this row, no M there. M should be here, and the T goes there. So we have a T in this column, T in the column next to the last column. The only place left for the T should be there. Two missing letters in this big square for letters. S is missing and R is missing. S and R, S and R. We have R in this row, no R there. R should be here, and the S goes there. S and the T, we have a S in the third row, no S there. S should be here, and the T goes there. Two missing letters in the last column for letters. C is missing, and R is missing. C and R, C and R. We have a C in this row, no C there. C should be here, and R goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with R. We have a R in this row, so no R there. R should be there. One letter is missing in this row for number M. One letter is missing in this big square for the letter O. O and a P, we have an O in the middle row, no O there. O should be here, and the P goes there. One box left in this row for the letter P. And the final two letters in this big square for the letters. M is missing, and the T is missing. M and the T, we have an M in this column, no M there. M should be here, and the T goes there, finishing 14 minutes. Wow. Letter Sudoku. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, so we do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later on with the other two puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.